case of Vinesh Fogart is concerned, this is the disqualification controversy. Drawing criticism from Fogart's weigh-in fiasco, Indian Olympic Association President P.T. Usha on Sunday made it clear that it is the responsibility of the athlete to manage their weight, and the attack on its medical team, especially the Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Dinshaw Pardewala, is unacceptable and worthy of condemnation. The incident sparked a blame game and stirred up Parliament, with accusations of negligence directed at Pardewala and his team, suggesting that Vinesh's diet could be a factor in her disqualification.
And IOA is following that up in the strongest possible manner. I am aware of the relentless effort made by Vinesh medical team led by Dr. Dinshaw Pardewala and the Chief Dimission Gagan Naran through the night to ensure that she would meet the competition requirements.
Here's what Team India's Chief Medical Officer Dr. Dinshaw Pardewala had said on Vinesh Fogart's weight gain post the match.
Sometimes there's also a factor of a rebound weight gain following competition. Now Vinesh had 3 bouts, and hence to prevent any dehydration, some amount of water had to be given. We found that her post-participation weight was increased more than normal, and the coach initiated the normal process of weight cut that he has always employed with Vinesh. This is something that's worked with her for a long period of time. He felt confident that this would be achieved, and over the night we went ahead with the weight cut procedure.
Nitin is getting in more details on that story. Nitin, the big question mark really on when this matter is sub judice, it's going to be heard. Why is the Indian Olympic Association issuing a statement of this nature at this point in time?
Well, Sneha, blame game is already on over there at the Paris. P.T. Usha was the IOA chief over there. She's saying that, Mr. Dr. Pardewala, who was there as a medical chief officer, he should not be blamed. But, the support staff and dietitian, the nutritionist of Vinesh, they should be held responsible. But as of now, all eyes are on that decision of CAS, which is going to be announced most likely tomorrow. By then, we will come to know that what exactly CAS is going to say. It is going to be in favor of Vinesh, or it is going to be against. But yes, already the blame game is already on. Somebody is saying, that Dr. Pardewala should not be, said that he is responsible. But what I feel is that this is not the time to, start all these, conversations. That IOA, Vinesh, their support staff, all should focus, to get the silver medal which Vinesh has appealed against, in CAS. Hearing already happened, and we know some of the points that she tried and convinced the court, saying that she was eligible when the bout was started in the pre-quarters, and she should be given a silver shared medal. We can only wait and watch about the CAS decision. But yes, the process which is delaying again and again, this is actually giving some kind of hope that might be some deliberation and the result be in favor of Vinesh. But as of now, there is no confirmation because it is sub judice, and it is kept very secret and confidential. So nobody, no source is talking about it. But we can only hope for the best.
Hope for the best, but the Indian Olympic Association has stirred a bit of a hornet's nest there by putting out that statement. It does appear that there is a bit of a blame game which is on here. I'm going to thank you for getting in those details. Now, in spite of the turmoil, there is a chance still for Vinesh Fogart to secure a silver medal. The Court of Arbitration for Sport has postponed its ruling, with the final verdict on the silver medal expected on the 13th day of August. The chorus of Vinesh Fogart's silver is growing day by day, with top athletes joining in now: Sachin Tendulkar, Neeraj Chopra, P.R. Srijesh, now former BCCI chief and former cricketer Sourav Ganguly has backed Vinesh in her quest for the medal. Ganguly said that Vinesh Fogart deserves a silver given her exceptional performance in Paris Olympics.
I'm sure when she went to the finals, she must have qualified properly. So when you go to the finals, it's either gold or silver. If she's disqualified rightfully or wrongfully, I don't know. Then she deserves the silver at least.
हमको सबको पता है मेडल मिलेगा तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा, मेडल नहीं मिलेगा तो एक वो हमको पता है कि जो सिचुएशन जो हुई अगर वो नहीं होती तो मेडल तो ऐसे ही पक्का था। जब तक मेडल नहीं होता गले में वो एक चीज़ रह ही जाती है, लोग थोड़े दिन तक याद करते हैं, बोलेंगे कि यू आर आवर चैम्पियन, हमारे लिए आप चैम्पियन हो, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि जब तक वो मोमेंट ना हो, हम पोडियम पे ना हो, तो वो बहुत जल्दी भूल भी जाते हैं। तो मुझे ये डर है बस, अगर लोग नहीं भूलेंगे तो मेडल है नहीं है उससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा। बस मैं लोगों से ये रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि जो विनेश ने किया है अपनी कंट्री के लिए उसको ना भूलें बस।
जो गॉगन ने दिखाया वो बहुत बड़ा बात है, क्योंकि इंस्पाइट ऑफ क्या कुछ हुआ उसके साथ जो पिछले साल में जो पुराने टाइम पे वो सब छोड़ के उसने स्पोर्ट्समैनशिप दिखाया, स्पिरिट दिखाया, फाइट बैक किया, हर एक ओडों के साथ उसने फाइट बैक किया और अभी फाइनल तक पहुंच गया। और एक शॉकिंग न्यूज़ था हमारे लिए सबके लिए, जैसे पूरा देश में जितना शॉकिंग हुआ हमारे लिए सबके लिए वही शॉकिंग न्यूज़ था कि अरे यार आप फाइनल में पहुंच के आपको एक दिन आके बोल रहे कि नहीं आपको मेडल नहीं मिलने वाला और आप सबसे लास्ट में हो, तो बहुत मुश्किल है हमारे लिए वो चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट करना। बट स्टिल हम उसके साथ ही है और डेफिनेटली आज शाम को मैं भगवान से ये दुआ करता हूँ कि अरे यार एक पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट